this video, I want to tell you how to create brand equity survey. First, you need to click Add-ons, Goofy Form, and then Load Form Template. You can search brand equity survey, and then after that, you click Load Selected Template, and then you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, and the settings. You need to refresh the page, and then go to Goofy Form and Get Link, and then click Continue, and then choose your account, and then just click Advanced, go to Goofy Form, and then click Allow. You will get a link like this, just copy it and paste it into your search engine. Now the form is ready to use. You can also custom the questions. For example, here go to question type, and then for example I want to insert new row, and I use tags and copy for the question tags. For example, I change the question's name, so it will show like that in the form. Or you maybe can change the question type into email, and don't forget to change the text too, and it will show like this in the form. Also, you can delete the row if you don't use it anymore, so it will disappear instantly like this. Also, you can change the background color of your form in the settings. For example, I want to change it into yellow, so it will change. Or maybe you can change the style of the title. For example, here I use mark behavior, and just follow the step. For example, scroll amount, I use 25 here, and don't forget to close the code here, like /mark. Just refresh the page, and now the title is moving. Thank you.